Hello, this is Erin and I am doing my overview for enhancement number 4 for CIT 336. This enhancement we worked on for 2 weeks and we created a lot of new things. We did a control for our product, so we have that, and then a products model, functions in our library, and then 3 new views: product management, add category, and add product. So let's have a look-see in the browser. And let's bring it on over. Okay, so here's the product management page, and we have a link for both add new category and add a new product. And so let's start with category. And let's leave it blank, and it says please provide information. So we shall. And the information, we need cookies in our lives. So we have cookies now. That worked in there. And while we're here, let's validate this. And let me bring that up. Here we go. Okay. And paste that in, and we are good to go for that one. Let's close that. Sorry, let me move things around for just a moment to simplify things. Okay, so that works there. Let's do that for this one also. And paste it in there, check that, we're still good, no errors. And so now, and we'll check our CSS, so grab all of that and bring that here. Okay, we're good there. So we have one more check to do. So let's bring in our products. Add a new product. So view page source, copy that, and paste that. And there we are. So we're good with errors. Let's carry on. Okay, so the category, so we need chocolate chip, chocolate goodness, and we don't have image, and these are good cookies, so there's only 5 left. And here, and me, and goodness is what these cookies are made of. So we submit, and thanks for inserting chocolate chip cookie, that works. And let's submit again. It says please provide information for all empty fields. So it held on to, so we have our empty fields, so that works there. And we have one more thing to check, don't we? Oh yeah, I remember. Okay, let's go look at our database and look at what we have in our Acme categories. So cookies now shows up. And in our inventory, we now have chocolate chip, chocolate goodness. So I believe that's everything for enhancement 4. Thanks.